Hi there, welcome to Imran kitchen. Today I am going to show you how to make the mutton kofta curry. This is very special one. We in Pakistan we use for the special occasion. So today I am going to share with you. So this is half kg of mutton keema curry. So I already got it from the grocer. So you have to tell them make little bit fine one. So it will be easy for you make the kofta. So we are using half kg mutton keema, and you need to fine chop the onion, garlic, ginger and green chili. If you cannot do fine chop, just put it in the food processor, just blend it, then you can make smaller pieces. This is half onion fine chop, and this is 2 clove fine chop garlic, and same amount of the ginger, and this is little bit fine chop mint, fresh mint, and this is 3 green chili fine chop. So next we will put some spices, because we have to make the masala and I have to use the all rest of the spices over there. So I will not put too much spices. This is half teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon red chili powder, and half teaspoon salt as taste, half teaspoon garam masala, and this is like a 1 teaspoon chickpeas flour you already roasted. So now I mix all the spices all together. You have to mix it very well. It will take a little time, maybe 5 to 6 minutes. If you don't mix it properly, otherwise it will be not binding properly. So you have to mix it very fine. So kofta mixture is ready. So you need to keep them at least 10 minute rest. It will help you to binding properly. So after 10 minute rest, now I am making the kofta shape. So you need some water or either a little bit oil, whatever you like. So first we will use little bit oil on both hands. So we take this much. We are not making too big, not too small, just medium size. So we are using like a dry plum. This is from Pakistan. I am using dry plum, the Pakistani one. You can buy any other one also, Indian or not the Canadian or European one, just the Indian subcontinent dry the plum. So we'll put the plum inside the middle of the kofta, just bind it. Then we'll keep it like this. First you have to press little bit the ground mutton, then flat it little bit like this, and put the dry plum in the middle. Just bind it all together like this. Then after that make little bit, press it little like this. Then after that make a shape like a round shape. So next step we have to make the sauce for the kofta curry. There was 3 steps. First step we'll mix the mutton keema mixture. Then after that we'll make the ball shape. Then final step we'll have to make the sauce. So I already preheated the oil on low temperature. For this is 1 cup of oil, and oil is ready now. Temperature. So there is some whole spices I have to put first. This is like a half teaspoon cumin seeds, 3 green cardamom, 4 clove, 1 cinnamon stick, 4 red dry chili, and 10 black pepper, 1 bay leaf. So I have to little bit saute this one. So now I have to put the temperature low to medium. I have a little bit roasted, and after that I will put the onion. This is 1 onion I already pasted. So we have to cook the onion at least 6-7 minutes until little bit cooked. Then after that I will put the tomato. So onion has been cooking for the last 6 minutes, so it's already little bit brown. So next step, we'll put this is one fresh tomato already pasted. So first we'll put this one also, and I will cook for another 5 minutes for the tomato. The tomato and onion all together has been cooking for the last 10 minutes. Now masala is ready. It's already cooked, tomato and onion. Now next step we'll put the ginger. This is 3 tablespoons ginger garlic paste. So we'll cook another 1 minute for the ginger garlic paste. Then I'll put the rest of the spices. Now I put the spices. This is 1 teaspoon turmeric powder and 1 teaspoon cumin powder and 1 teaspoon garam masala, 1 teaspoon salt as taste, and 1 teaspoon coriander powder, and 1 tablespoon red chili powder. This is I am using Kashmiri chili powder. This will give you a little bit color and also a little spicy. So mix it and we'll cook another 1 minute for all the spices. So masala has been cooking for the last 1 minute frying. So now you can see oil is coming out on top. That means masala is ready. So now next step we'll put the water. So we'll put like a 2 cup of water. Now we'll cover it. Then we'll cook for another next 10 minutes and see after 10 minutes. So masala has been cooking for the last 10 minutes. So now next step, we'll put some yogurt, and this is 3 tablespoons yogurt. I already beat it. You have to beat it very nicely. And after that I'll put this one yogurt. You have to mix it. Now we'll put the kofta. So we'll put one by one, and by the way, you can, if you want freeze it, you can freeze it, put in the plate and freeze it. When it will be frozen, then you can put it in the zipper bag. You can keep it for the next 2 months. Whenever you need, you can just thaw it out and then you can use it. So I will keep this one for myself. I will freeze it. So I will cook almost 3, 6, 9 kofta. This is good enough for our for our family. So I will cover it for another cook for another 10 minutes. So kofta has been cooking for the after I put the kofta. It will take like 8 minutes to cook. So it's almost ready. So you don't want to dry too much. If you like to dry a little bit more, you can dry it little more. So I'll put some fresh cilantro and I'll turn off the gas and we'll cover it for next 5 minutes. Then after that we'll serve it. So you can see now kofta is ready and look like how it look like and ready for the serve. And thank you for watching Imran Kitchen, and thank you for all the new comer.